trouble putting up that fence? Give Pete a call on 0800 80 1080. It's the DIY Show with resident builder Pete Wolfkamp. Thanks to Carpet Country, where beauty meets budget on News Talk ZB.
Today we're talking with Hayden Todd, who is the manager at Truss Limited, a locally owned and operated business located in Cromwell in central Otago. Now, Truss have manufactured engineered pre-nailed timber wall frames and roof trusses for use in commercial and residential construction, and the main product that they use is J-frame. J-frame, of course, being an LVL, a laminated veneer lumber, and it's grown here sustainably and produced and engineered by Duke in New Zealand. So very good morning to you, Hayden.
Good morning there, Peter. How are we doing, mate?
Yeah, not bad. Central Otago, that's got to be a glorious place to have your business. So how long have you guys been using J-frame?
Well, we've been sort of operational for just over 17 years now, and we've been using J-frame for around about 11 years now.
So for you, I mean, you would pump out a lot of frames in a year. So what led you to swap to J-frame?
Well, it was obviously a lot of benefits sort of swapping to J-frame. Obviously, there was back when we sort of started, there was not a lot of really information about it, but we sort of went along with key facts of obviously the straightness, efficiency running through the plant, availability of shorts that Duke could provide, sort of, less wastage, minimising off-cut, no-brainer really.
So using the J-frame, has that changed the way that you've run your business?
For sure. It takes a lot of, obviously, time and labour out of pre-cutting studs. Obviously, being able to get the shorts available. You develop less wastage, so obviously better for the environment.
When you say shorts, that's you can order from them a whole lot of basically framing timber, 90 by 45 J-frame at 2.4 or 2.7, rather than, typically you'd buy a length and then you've always got a little bit of off-cut.
Yeah, so Duke sort of provides 2 330s,
yep. Wow.
2 4s, 2 480s, 2 630s. 3 metres, 4/8. They've got a huge variety, really.
Wow. So that just means that it arrives in the factory as a packet and it's ready for use.
Correct, yeah.
Yeah, that would save a lot of time. Now, based in Otago, in central Otago there in Cromwell, that sounds idyllic. Where do you ship your products to? Well,
we sort of basically can go sort of all over the South Island. We have sent the old one to Christchurch in the time, but we mainly stick with off of the Waitaki River and down, and sort of send a few down south. And but mainly central Otago sort of keeps us busy at this sort of time anyway.
Having a chat to the guys at J&L, they reckon you've had a really busy year, and all of us in construction have. What's 2021 looking like?
2021's been sort of one of those ones that sort of no one saw coming, obviously. Sort of hiccups throughout the year. 2021's pretty much looking the same, but just without a 5-week holiday at the start, I'm guessing.
It's going to be flat out. Hey, look, if you want to see more of what the guys at Truss do, check out Truss at trusstech.co.nz. And for more information on J-frame, go to jnl.co.nz. Hayden, thanks very much for taking the time this morning. Great to talk to you.
Cheers, Peter.
There we go from Truss. Check it out online. Check out the J&L products online as well. That's jnl.co.nz.